Hello and welcome to Review Mobility. Our platform allows consumers to post their independent reviews on their experience with mobility companies around the UK, whilst also learning about mobility aids and browse a selection of mobility products we picked out. Head to our website reviewmobility.co.uk to learn more. Today, we will be covering gardening mobility aids. Let us get started. Specialized gardening equipment may assist those with physical limitations who enjoy the outdoors. Here is a wide selection of tools designed to lessen the burden of gardening on your body. Gardening may be a pleasant activity thanks to the availability of ergonomically designed equipment and accessories like kneelers that reduce knee stress. What do you need to know when buying gardening mobility aids? When looking at buying gardening mobility aids, you should identify where you need help. What do you need help with? Such as, do you need help with the tools or something to sit on while gardening? How to buy gardening mobility aids? The best way to buy gardening mobility aids online is to shop around first, as there are many different products to pick from, so doing your research before purchasing anything would be helpful. Where to buy gardening mobility aids? You can buy gardening mobility aids online, and we have picked some that may help on this page. What are the benefits of having gardening mobility aids? Gardening mobility aids allow people with limited mobility to garden again comfortably and safely. What should I look out for when choosing gardening mobility aids? When looking and choosing garden mobility aids, you should look at reviews, recommendations, costs. What aids are available to assist with mobility when gardening? Wheelchairs, rollators, and ramps are some mobility aids that might come in handy outside. Wheelchair accessories like cushions and gloves may make using the device more pleasant and practical. Which mat is best for a bathroom? The best bath mat for your bathroom is a mat that is the correct size, easy to clean, does not cause an allergic reaction, and is relatively inexpensive. What gardening tool is used for loosening the soil? The garden fork is an essential accessory. Aerate your yard. Break up the soil, remove the pebbles and weeds, loosen the soil, and drill planting holes. What is the three-pronged garden tool? A three-tined cultivator is a crucial tool. You may accomplish more work in less time thanks to the hybrid design of this weeding and digging hoe. So that concludes our guide on gardening mobility aids. We hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to go and check out some of our other content on mobility aids, mobility scooters, stair lifts, and much more. Head to our website, reviewmobility.co.uk for more information.